7 Ways to Improve Maintenance Inventory Management, Part 3. Number 5, Eliminate obsolete parts. Obsolete parts can languish in your storeroom for months, taking up space on your shelves and your balance sheet. But this isn't even the worst of it. If you need a part for a repair and find only obsolete stock, it increases downtime. Tracking the life cycle of spare parts cuts down on obsolete inventory. Knowing when you purchased parts, how long you've had them, and when they become obsolete can minimize the amount of capital tied up in underused materials, and avoid costly downtime. Number 6, Inventory Reporting. Building a solid reporting framework for inventory management provides you with all the data to spot trends and make smarter decisions. With this data, you can improve fund allocation, get better at scheduling maintenance, and move toward automating your purchasing. Some useful metrics you can track include the basics, like inventory levels and purchase order history, as well as more advanced numbers, like the value of stock on hand and outstanding purchase orders.